Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the road from left to right in a very simple way. You call it a U-turn and a 3-point turn as well. I use the 3-step method, which is very simple, and be careful to look surroundings. For any road user, especially pedestrian, do not forget to check your blind spots regularly throughout the maneuver. To make a U-turn, so obviously you need to check surroundings. If the road is totally clear, you can start now. Make sure the car is on D for drive and then full lock steering to the right. As soon as you look around, move towards the opposite side of the curb. Bring the curb under your mirror. That's it. Then go to R, full lock to the left. Look around if it's clear. Nobody's waiting for us now. It's totally clear, so I move backwards. Reverse until this curb come close to your shoulder or in line with your mirror. So that's the time. Back to D. Stay opposite and look around, then move. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for further content.